Welcome to this presentation, Uploading Your Public Key, from the U.S. National Science Foundation ACCESS program. My name's Joel Adams. Let's see how and where we uploaded our public key. In this presentation, I walk you through the process of uploading your public key in ACCESS. The presentation assumes you have already generated SSH keys on your computer using the ED25519 encryption algorithm. If you've not done so, I encourage you to first watch the previous presentation in this playlist called Creating SSH Keys. Before you can upload your public key from your computer to ACCESS, you need to know where it is located on your computer. The precise location depends on your operating system, but SSH generally stores your public and private keys in a folder named .ssh in your home directory. ACCESS uses a service called the COmanage Registry to store your public key. You'll need to upload it from your computer to COmanage. You can do this through your browser, so it's largely independent of your operating system. I'm going to demonstrate this using the Chrome browser on macOS. From the ACCESS landing page, we want to go to the COmanage Registry. The easiest way I know of to get there is just to click in Chrome's address bar where the ACCESS URL is displayed. Before access-ci.org, insert registry, period. Then press Enter, and you should see the COmanage Registry landing page with a Login button. Press the Login button, and it will walk you through the usual ACCESS login procedure. If you've not yet agreed to the terms and conditions, you'll see a page where you can review and agree to those terms and conditions. You'll need to do that before you can proceed. That will bring you to the ACCESS Identity dashboard, from which you can manage your ACCESS identity. One of the options there is SSH key, with Manage Your SSH Keys as a subtitle. So click that option. That will bring up a primary SSH key screen. There, click the Add SSH Key link in the upper right corner of the screen. That brings up an Add Primary SSH Key screen, which provides Choose File and Upload buttons. Click the Choose File button. Using the navigation dialog that appears, navigate to your home directory. On Unix family systems, the SSH folder is hidden. Navigation dialogs don't show hidden folders by default. To display the hidden files and folders in macOS, press Shift, Command, and period. On Linux, press Ctrl-H. On Windows, you should already be able to see the .ssh folder. If you cannot, open the File Explorer, navigate to your home folder, right-click, choose the folder options, then click the Show Hidden Files checkbox. Then cancel the navigation dialog and click the Choose File button again. If we scroll down, we can find our .ssh folder. That exposes the two files containing our public and private keys. Select your public key file, id_ed25519.pub, then click the dialog's Open button. That closes the navigation dialog, returning you to ACCESS's Add Primary Key page. Click the Upload button there, and you should see a green SSH key added message appear. A table also appears. The left column of the table contains the comment field from your key. If you want to view the rest of the key, come here to the View button. And you can see it's got key type field indicating it's an ED25519 key, the comment field, and the actual key itself. Congratulations! You have successfully uploaded your public key to ACCESS COmanage. From here, a resource provider with whom you have an Access allocation can download your public key to your account on their resource. One thing to keep in mind, your SSH keys are stored in your home directory that's associated with your account on the computer where you generated your keys. If you intend to connect to an Access resource from more than one computer account, you should generate SSH keys on both accounts and upload the public key from each account to the COmanage registry. For example, if you've completed these steps using your work computer and you want to also connect to an Access resource from your home computer, you should complete these steps a second time on your home computer because it will have a different key from your work computer. Now that we've uploaded our public key, the rest of this presentation is optional, but it may help you understand what we just did, so let's return to it. Let's visualize what we just did and how it solves our problem. How do we get a copy of our public key to the Access resource provider? Indirectly, through the ACCESS COmanage Registry. First, we upload our public key to the registry. Once our key is there, an Access resource provider can download a copy to our account on their resource. For better or worse, Access resource providers solve this problem in different ways. The ACCESS COmanage Registry provides a centralized repository from which any Access RP can, in theory, download your public key. The registry is a relatively new service. Hopefully your RP will be supporting it by the time you view this presentation. Some RPs who support Open On Demand have users use it to solve this problem. But not all Access RPs support Open On Demand. Some RPs offer their own custom service for uploading SSH keys, and other RPs provide an email address to which you may email your public key directly. But again, not all RPs support this approach. The ACCESS COmanage Registry was created to provide a simple, centralized, comprehensive solution to this problem. So that's the approach we've demonstrated in this presentation. To review what we've done today, you can access the COmanage Registry at this URL, https://registry.access-ci.org. It provides a convenient central location to which you can upload your public keys and from which any Access RP can, in theory, download those keys. I say keys because if you intend to connect to an Access resource from different computer accounts, for example from your home computer and your work computer, then you will need to generate SSH keys in each account and then upload your public key from your account to the registry. Finally, after your public keys are installed on the RP's resource, you should be all set to connect to and begin using that resource. If you hit a snag, use the ACCESS support site to submit a help ticket to your RP. On your ticket, describe the problem you're having, and they will work with you via email on how to resolve it. In the next presentation, we'll see how to use SSH to connect to an ACCESS resource.